Orlando Pirates and South African football in general has discovered gold and a generational talent in Bekezeli Mbokazi. With the uncovering of Bekezeli Mbokazi from the rural area of Hluhluwe in KwaZulu-Natal province, this has signaled a new era, of raw talent that is coming to the fore, that just needs polishing and is ready to take on the world. The past 7 months since the day Bekezeli Mbokazi was introduced in the Orlando Pirates first team around February, I think it was around February or March, when he was introduced to the Orlando Pirates first team, that Orlando Pirates defense has never been the same. And South African football has never been the same again because of the introduction of that young man. Of course, those who do watch the DDC, which is the reserve league in South Africa, know about Mbekezeli Mbokazi because he captained the Orlando Pirates DDC team before being promoted to the Orlando Pirates senior team. And of course, his introduction or promotion to the first team came as a result of injuries that Orlando Pirates suffered to the first team players who are playing at the centre back position, namely Olisanda and Thabiso Sesane. Because the previous season, which is 2024-25 season, at the beginning of the season, that was the Orlando Pirates centre back pairing, a very solid one. That saw Orlando Pirates going as far as about 7 matches from the first match to the 7 matches with straight wins. And of course, that this very same centre back pairing had won the Orlando Pirates the Nedbank Cup from the 2023-2024 season. So the injuries to those players presented an opportunity to the young Bekezeli Mbokazi to come and claim his stake in the team. So greetings, guys. Welcome to the platform. My name is Tebos Kosana. Please, guys, help me to grow the platform by subscribing. After subscribing, guys, please click on the notification bell so each time I publish a video, then receive a notification. Please, guys, make sure you watch the videos. Please also make sure that you comment, you like, and share. Okay. So I want to hear from you guys what to make of Bekezeli Mbokazi. But I think now his stakes have been raised much higher. Much higher. His stock has been raised much higher after playing for Bafana Bafana. You see, even if Mbulelo Mabizela, because the last time a player rose so quickly, it was Mbulelo Mabizela, who only played for 2 seasons at Orlando Pirates. He was then already captaining Bafana Bafana at just 22 years old. Then, of course, he went on to sign for Tottenham Hotspur in England. So now, with Bekezeli Mbokazi merely 7 months after his promotion, but now we consider it is also pre-season, meaning it's about 4 to 5 months of playing first team football. Bekezeli Mbokazi is already a key member of a very strong and winning Bafana Bafana, because Bafana Bafana is the South Africa's senior national team. He's already a vital cog of that team. And let's be honest, in the country, there's no left centre back in South Africa that can take Bekezeli Mbokazi out of that Bafana team. It's only injuries that can take him out of that team. It's a fact. Because even the coach, the head coach himself, here I'm talking about the Bafana Bafana coach, Hugo Broos, admitted that since his arrival in South Africa, because he has been in South Africa for 4 to 5 years now, he has never seen a defender of a high quality like Mbekezeli Mbokazi. That just goes to show that how good the boy is. How good the boy is. This also explains the importance of development to ensure we develop these players, discover them young, because he's only turning 20 on the 19th of September, meaning he's only 19 years old. So we discover them early while they're still young, then have time to prepare them and develop them properly. Then they become the goal that we are seeing in Bekezeli Mbokazi. He's already captaining Orlando Pirates, guys. At age 19, Bekezeli Mbokazi is already captaining Orlando Pirates. That is unheard of, especially in South African football, because in South African football, we get to a situation whereby we've got a player that is 23, 24, or even 25, who's only breaking through the professional ranks. They break through the professional ranks at age 24, 25. Then we refer to them as youngsters. But here's got a 19-year-old who's already captaining the biggest institution in the country, which is Orlando Pirates. He's already now part of the national team. He's going to the AFCON. He's going to the World Cup. There's even the questions of say, but can the under 20, because the national team under 20 coach, he's saying, but can we really take him because to the under 20? Because his development and all of that has proven that he has surpassed those levels of playing at under 20 and all of that. Look at how he played against Nigeria last night. Look how he pocketed the likes of Lukman. Look at how he dealt with those potent attack of Nigeria. It's unheard of, you see. So we must congratulate whoever scouted the boy and developed the boy. We need to give kudos to them. This is a gold that we need to take care of as South Africa and ensure that what befell Mbulelo Mabizela does not befall this boy. I think all of us got the responsibility towards that. So thank you guys for tuning in. Please guys remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you very much.